Unchained.
Soccer is the most popular sport in the world. And it's fun for millions of kids, too. But did you ever wonder who made that ball you kick around? You may be surprised to find out that a kid in Pakistan is stitching together soccer balls for just pennies a day, working long hours in a filthy factory, instead of going to school or playing with his friends. Child labor is an international problem affecting nearly 200 million kids. Iqbal Masih, a child worker from rural Pakistan, was one of them. Iqbal's parents needed money so badly that they sent him to work in a rug factory like this one, when he was only 4 years old. At the factory, Iqbal was forced to work 14 hours a day for almost no pay. But he had no choice. The factory owner chained his leg to keep him from running away. But when Iqbal was 10, he escaped from the factory and joined a group of people who were working to end child labor. Iqbal was eager to teach others about the injustice of child labor, and he became a leader of a movement to stop it. He even traveled to the United States to talk to American kids about the problem. And they were shocked by what they heard and saw.
It just broke my heart because it just made me think, how could somebody be so mean to hurt somebody so little like that?
Iqbal won a special Human Rights Award for his work and found friends and supporters around the world. But many carpet factory owners didn't like what he was doing, and when Iqbal was just 12 years old, he was murdered, shot and killed while riding his bike in Pakistan. Most people believe he was killed by factory owners. Iqbal's murder was a tragedy, but his life and death inspired many to take action. Millions of people stopped buying carpets made by child workers, and kids got involved too.
You opened our eyes and touched our hearts.
A Massachusetts school that Iqbal once visited raised enough money to start a school in Pakistan named after him. Many of the kids who go there are former child workers like Iqbal. In Canada, Iqbal's story sparked these kids to launch Free the Children, the only international rights group run by children. Today, kids from all over the world are uniting to bring about changes that will end child labor. Efforts like these have helped kids out of factories and into schools, where they belong. And the courage and determination of one 10-year-old boy made all the difference.